Adilabad is one of the most beautiful places in the country. Cascading waterfall gallops into the river. The nature reigns supreme. Forest, meadows, green hills and rivers inspire creativity. The Gond Ojhas make exotic dhokra craft in the forest-fringed villages of Adilabad. The artisans use traditional tools to make wares from wax. The process of making the wares is difficult. With the wares, the artisans inlay intricate designs on the clay models.
देखो अभी वो क्या है बोले तो वो ये मोम लगाते सांचा तैयार कर दिए तो ये मोम लगाते और वो भट्टी फूकते और मट्टी निकालते साफ ब्रश कर देते।
Women also make this craft. When the men do the complicated designs, the women prepare the clay models and do the polishing work, who still hone their skill. He can make magnificent dhokra craft. Cataract has damaged his right eye. With the help of his left eye, he still creates amazing piece of art. At the age of 73, Naneswar adds high value to ordinary metal.
कितना टाइम काम करते हो?
10 बजे से 5 बजे।
हाँ, कितना पैसा मिलता है दिन में?
आप ये काम में पैसा का ये सब करते रहते हैं।
300 रुपया मिलता है दिन में?
हाँ, 500।
तो किसको बेचते हो ये?
ये आप कोई ऑर्डर वाले रहते हो आपको पास।
His products have high demand in the market.
तो ऐसा तो 25 है सर।
25 कारीगर?
25 कारीगर है लेकिन ये काम नहीं करते।
हाँ?
कोई मजदूरी कर रहा है, कोई ये काम कर रहा है।
हाँ।
ऐसा
अच्छा, 20 साल पहले कितना परिवार थे इधर?
20 साल पहले एकदम साथ।
Naneswar received National Award for his contribution to the craft tradition. He makes variety of utility and decorative items. Each one is a class apart. He is the last generation of artisans who have skill to create such pieces. Marketing is a real problem for the Gond Ojhas. Lack of education, resources, and market information do not allow them to prosper. The majority of the artisans depend on craft agencies, local traders, and middlemen to sell their products. big items with intricate designs are the most sought after objects. The village artisans seldom know the actual market price of their products. As a result, the genuine artisans always struggle with low income. Traders and middlemen thrive on the hard work of the artisans. A few artisans continue to hone their skill despite adverse situation. Many of them have switched over to other professions. Educated artisans now take interest in marketing the dhokra items. There is huge market demand for fine dhokra products in the domestic and foreign craft bazaars. Gond ojhas should learn to manage their own profession. Bankers should provide loans to the genuine artisans. The governments, banks, and the NGO should train artisans how to market their products. The artisan cooperative society should be revived. There is a huge opportunity for the export of dhokra craft. This will happen if the skill and artistry of the craft is preserved. Today, the old classic dhokra items are no longer produced. The young artisans lose interest in their family profession due to low income. There is a need of sincere effort from development agencies and craft lovers to preserve this craft tradition.